Hello, Protescreen fans. Here is Mark. We got some replies about the installation method of our paper texture screen protector, and we do think a video could help our fans understand our new way is much easier than the previous version. We call this method Dichotomy Split. We were inspired by the target decomposition method. The original way only has one chance to apply the film. It leaves no space to make any mistakes. We try to split the difficulty by dividing the whole process into two parts. Meanwhile, we eliminate the fixing tape to simplify the process. This iPad has already applied a film, but as you can see, the reflection and glare will block the view if I change the sight angle. Remember this and let's see what happens after we apply Protescreen. Let's have a look at what's in the bag. The small bag contains essential tools including an alcohol wipe, non-woven fabrics, and dust stickers. This is the bubble-free board. We specially designed this board so you don't have to worry about your credit card cracking. And of course, the fine protector film. It's gonna refresh your experience later. If you already have a film on the screen, with the Protescreen board, it is easy to peel off. Pick any side you like and use the corner of the board. Just a touch and the film will be levered easily. Take off it and be ready for Protescreen. Before we apply the Protescreen, let's clean the screen first. Open the essential tool bag and take out everything inside. The first step you want is to use the alcohol pad to wipe the entire screen. Alcohol will dissolve oils and organic substances on the screen. Then is a piece of non-woven fabric, or what we call the dry wipe. Wipe the screen again to eliminate the water stains and some big specks of dust if have. The last step is the dust sticker. The trick here is to use your finger to hold two sides of the sticker and make it a roll. Take away all those small dust and you are ready to go. Take out the Protescreen protector. Double check the size. If you got the wrong size, go to Protescreen.com and contact us for a change. Make sure the red sticker side faces the screen. Peel off the red anti-stick layer. Carefully align to the screen edge. How you set the position in this phase will determine what you get in the end. But no worries. This layer is removable, so you can change it multiple times to make sure you get exactly the right place. Once you get the sweet spot, get rid of big bubbles and forget about those small ones. We are only set the position now. Now is the key moment. I am going to tell you all the tricks to apply the Protescreen. Lifting either side you like, I prefer left first. Make sure the protective layer is off. Land the edge of this layer on the screen. All you have to do is use the board gradually pushing the film on the middle, and another hand to give a counter force to stabilize the tablet. Let's change to another view for clarity. Take up one side and make sure the protective layer is off and the edge is landing on the screen. Meanwhile, use the board to hold the middle and ready to push. Once your other hand fixes the tablet, you are good to push. Gradually push the film and check if any bubbles exist. If so, just go back a little bit and gradually do it again. Due to our glue quality, it rarely happened. The protective layer was stacked, but it's fine. You can leave the corner for later and start the other side. Same here, hold the midline, lifting, edge landing, fixing, and pushing. Then it's time to scrape bubbles on corners. It is super easy and feels comfortable for those people who have OCD like me. The blue sticker corner may not be easy to scrape. You can scrape them after you peel off the last protective layer. Peel off the last surface protective layer, you are 100% done. This looks fresh and clean. Give yourself some claps. You deserve it. Some may be curious about what difference I mentioned at the beginning. Please allow me to do a cruel experiment for you. Let's fold in half of the Protescreen first.
Are you ready?
And here is our guest, Mr. Craft Knife. And here we go. Look at the difference. It is obvious, right?
That's what I said.
The effect is critical once the screen is on. The protector absorbs the light in any circumstance. Here is the real no-sauce shooting effect. We go through a few common apps, so you may get a taste of how the Protescreen works. Look at this place. Without the Protescreen AR coating layer, this black background could reflect and be hard to see in this common reading angle. Protescreens also has the best paper texture. Let me show you the No Sauce soundtrack when I film this part. Hard to tell the difference when I compare it to my notebook. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. That will help a lot. If you want to get yourself a Protescreen or you want to know more about Protescreen, check out Protescreen.com.